Lonar Lake in Maharashtra is in news again. Few months back, it is in news because the water in the lake is pinkish in color, is becoming day by day pinkish in color. The reason is the presence of a bacteria called Haloarchaea. And now, for the good reasons, it is again in news. Now, Lonar Lake in Maharashtra was in Ramsar list. Ramsar Convention on Wetlands 1971 follows strict guidelines, provides strict guidelines to protect the wetlands. Now, Lonar Lake is under such guidelines. This is a good news. In India, along with Lonar Lake, right now there are 41 Ramsar sites, and protecting Ramsar sites is a special responsibility for every country. India also has the same responsibility. Lonar Lake is unique in many respects. Particularly, it was the only crater lake in India. It was the only crater lake in India. According to NASA, around 35,000 to 50,000 years ago, there was a meteorite hit into the earth, into the basalt rocks, and a crater was created in Maharashtra. That crater have become a lake. This is called Lonar Lake. This is very important. 35,000 to 50,000 years ago, between 35,000 to 50,000 years, a crater was created due to a hit of a meteorite. This is a very important news, and this was a lake which is the only crater lake in India, that is Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. And Lonar Lake in Maharashtra is also very rich in biodiversity. It captivates many tourists, that is tourist destination. According to the Geological Survey of India, it is also a national geological monument. This is also a great thing. And Lonar Lake is also a biodiversity hotspot, I can tell you, where so many rich biodiversity, 160 species of birds including vulnerable Asian woolly neck, common pochard, 46 species of reptiles and 12 species of mammals including iconic grey wolf inhabited in that area. So, there were so many birds, there were so many mammals which are present in the Lonar Lake, which makes it very unique. And in the Lonar Lake, there was a unified control of Melghat Tiger Reserve. There was also a Lonar Sanctuary. So, it comes near Melghat Tiger Reserve, and there was also a Lonar Sanctuary. Along with Lonar Lake, one more area in India called the protection under Ramsar sites. Sur Sarovar, a bird haven in Agra. Sur Sarovar, a bird haven in Agra, also got the protection under Ramsar site. This is also very important. And in Maharashtra this year, Nandur Madameshwar, a site, a wetland also got Ramsar protection. So, in Maharashtra this year, this is the second site. Lonar Lake is the second site, second wetland. The first wetland is Nandur Madameshwar. And Lonar Lake is formed in the basaltic rock and is very famous for being the world's largest basaltic impacted crater. So, it is one of the world's largest basaltic crater, Lonar. The water is both saline and alkaline. So, it is also called as soda lake. The water in the Lonar Lake is both saline and alkaline. So, it is called soda lake. And in Ramsar Convention, there is a concept called Montreux record. Already a question is asked in prelims in this respect. Montreux record is a register of certain wetlands which have deplorable condition, which is facing pathetic condition because of technological advancement, human interference and other industrial developments. So, in India, Loktak Lake in Manipur, Kalidio in Rajasthan are in Montreux record. So, Montreux record, if there is a particular wetland, it means that government needs to follow certain protocols. So, this is all about the Lonar Lake. Now, the thing is, what is the criteria of Ramsar Convention to protect a particular site under Ramsar Convention? What is the criteria to declare? There are certain criteria. For example, if a wetland supports vulnerable, endangered or critically endangered species or threatened ecological communities, or if it contains a representative, rare or unique example of natural wetland types, or if it supports population of plants or animals important for maintaining the biodiversity, or it supports plant or animals at a critical stage, which are at a critical stage, or if it regularly supports 20,000 or more water birds, if it regularly supports 20,000 or more water birds, or if it regularly supports 1% of individuals in a population of one species or subspecies of a water bird, or it supports indigenous fish species or subspecies. So, there are around 9 criteria for the Ramsar list, in the Ramsar list, to give a protection for a wetland under Ramsar list. If the wetland meets that criteria, any one of the criteria or some of the criteria, it will get protection under Ramsar list. This criteria itself is a question, can be a question in the next year prelims.